Hi, Ben here and welcome back to the workshop for another Work in Progress Wednesday. So I've just finished off a set of matching knives basically. So we've got a Woodlander, a Pixie and a Parang, and I moulded the Kydex last night. So I've got the Kydex made for the Pixie and the Woodlander, and also it uses a lot of Kydex, but the Kydex for the Parang as well. Now the style of these, this is what we call a pancake style. So you've actually got two pieces that you actually mould around the Parang. It makes it a little bit easier to make, especially when it's a big thing with lots of these eyelets in it. Now the other knives we actually make in what we call a taco style. So it's one piece of Kydex that's actually moulded round, so you actually get one side that's still actually connected and just one side that's got the eyelets in. But these just need sawing and shaping, so we thought it'd be fun that you could actually follow the journey of getting these sheaths finished. So we'll take these through to the bandsaw and we'll get working. So we've finished off the Kydex for this matching set of knives. Now the customer requested that they were all matching, so they've all got neon green and black G10 handles with thick hunter orange G10 liners to them. So these are all in AEBL stainless. Now the Kydex sheath itself for the Parang has got this extra little retention strap and one of our soft belt loops. But that slides in there. It locks in there pretty good anyway without that, but that's like belt and braces for when you're actually on the trail. You can just put that extra little closure on there, so there's no fear of that coming out. And then on the other sheaths, the customer has actually requested that we put in these extra eyelets so they can use different belt clips and things like that. But this has got one of our standard soft loops on there that he can remove if he wants to. Now the beauty of Kydex is you get this fantastic retention. So there's no fear of that knife falling out the sheath even if it's worn inverted. And obviously with that nice thumb ramp on there, it means you can withdraw the knife really easily and safely. So that's the matching Woodlander. Really nice G10 handle. Certainly not going to lose these in the woods, that's for damn sure. Now the difference on the little Pixie that we've made in the matching setup is this has actually got a titanium pocket clip on there. So this is a slightly different configuration to what we normally offer. Because this makes such a nice sort of small companion knife, you can either put a bit of string around your neck so you can wear it inverted, or this pocket clip, because it's so sort of low profile, it just allows you to sort of slip it into your pocket like so, and then when you actually withdraw the knife, the sheath itself stays in your pocket. So it's a really nice sort of modern look to it, but nice low profile as well. So really pleased with how those three have come out. I've just got to make a matching fire steel and add that to that Woodlander, and that set should be pretty much ready to go. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the Kydex sheaths come to life on this matching set of knives. If you've been following along the Work in Progress Wednesdays, you might have even seen this set of knives glued up on the bench, so you've almost seen them come to life over the last few weeks. So I'm certainly enjoying doing these Work in Progress Wednesdays. Hopefully you're enjoying seeing what we're actually doing each week in the workshop. But if you've got any comments or any ideas of future videos you want us to make, please just feel free to drop us an email or leave us a comment. And remember, subscribe to the channel so you get notified of the latest videos and things like that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week for another Work in Progress Wednesday.